How to fix Epic Games launcher installation error. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix if you are having problem with installing the Epic Game launcher. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. Now, let's begin. So the very first thing that you want to do is open up your laptop or PC and then go ahead and open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R command, and it will pop out your Run dialog box. From here, you are just going to search for Regedit like this and hit enter. Click on yes and give it all of the access and permissions. So you will see a window something like this. Now from here, what you want to do is click on HKey local machine. Click on this drop down. From here, head over to software. And from software, if you scroll down, you will find Google, and right below Google, you'll find Microsoft right here. Click on Microsoft, and once you click on the drop down, scroll down a bit until you see this folder right here, DirectX. And once you get on this folder, what you need to do is look at the very last option, which is versions. And as you can see, it is 4.0.9. What you want to do is right click on the versions and then modify its value. So as you can see, the value data is 4.0.9 and the remaining number. What you need to do is just change this 9 to an 8 like this and click on OK. And as you can see, the value data has been updated to 4.0.8. So once you do this, give your PC a restart and your problem should be fixed. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.